might make more sense if you find a good friend and get your ass outside. Get your ass outside. Hey, get your ass outside. Get your ass outside. Hey. Try to get ahead, we make a big mess. No time for reflection and no time for rest. Try to fill the hole, but it's never quite full. Got it figured out, but we know life ain't so black and white. Everywhere I look, I see blurred lines.